Looking for heirloom gift ideas you can make in 5 minutes the recipient will treasure for a lifetime, and they don't break the bank? You made it to the right place. Today's video is brought to you by Cricut. Think boutique on a budget. These are super easy ideas. I'm gonna be using my Cricut Joy Xtra and my EasyPress 2. First up are giant Christmas bulbs. These are so cool.
I got these from the dollar store this year. They're solar powered, and I have the entire project already sized for you, linked below. This is a more traditional project using Cricut Smart Vinyl. All you have to do is select the project file in Cricut Design Space, insert your vinyl, and let Cricut do the rest. It will cut it for you. Then weed your vinyl, and then you're going to put it on top of transfer tape. Peel the backing away, and you can set this on your project. I'm a big movie quote girl, and I have 3 favorite Christmas movies. These are 2 of them. Let me know in the comments if you can tell which ones they are. Forget boring gift bags. These can be reused from year to year. I put tons of dollar store finds inside. Some of these are my absolute favorites. Nobody would ever expect this. And the even cooler part, oh girl, they light up.
I promise this will be the most unique gift that somebody gets this year.
If you like this idea, all the files will be linked down below, so it's no work for you.
Project 2 are Santa's keepsake gift bags.
All you need is Smart Iron-On, no mat required, your Cricut Joy Xtra, and Cricut EasyPress 2.
If you've never worked with Smart Iron-On before, I'm going to show you how literally easy this is to do.
There are tons of files already in Design Space that are perfect for this project, but I'm going to customize one and I'll link it down below. I like this North Pole Express delivery logo, and then I just customize the bottoms with both of my son's names.
What is so awesome is the Smart Iron-On works without a mat. So all I do is load this into the machine and it cuts for me. I just have to follow the directions, making sure to mirror the project.
This comes with the backing already attached, so no transfer tape needed.
Once you have cut your Smart Vinyl, you're going to weed it. This is so satisfying and takes just a couple of minutes. And then once your project is weeded just like this, I'm going to go over to my Cricut EasyPress 2. Hold on. Can you plug that in for me, please? Mischievous friends are afoot. I pull up the Cricut heat guide on my phone so I know what to set the press at. I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up to 280 degrees. And I'm gonna do this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna grab my EasyPress mat and I'm just gonna stick this right inside the bag. I have my weeded Smart Iron-On. What's really great about this is when you go to put it down, it's a little bit sticky, so it sticks on the project and it's not gonna move around on you. Yay! Okay, Cricut is ready. I'm gonna take some parchment paper and just lay this over the top. This is gonna act as a protective barrier, and this is really foolproof. I just take my iron, I set it right on the project, and I'm gonna put some pressure on and hit the button, and it will count down 30 seconds for me. Yay! All right, it's done. So I'm gonna pick this up and remove the parchment paper. I'm gonna let this cool for about 30 seconds. Yay! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. And my design has transferred. Look how beautiful this looks. I did it in just a couple of minutes, and I love how it's eco-friendly. I can use this bag from year to year.
Make this a tradition with your family. Set these bags out on Christmas Eve, and Santa will come overnight and fill them with all sorts of goodies and toys. We are just getting started. Okay, Owen wanted you to know that this next idea is his absolute favorite.
This next project is a new to us heirloom, the Night Before Christmas sheet sets. And what I did was take lines from the famous Night Before Christmas poem to customize it to the boys. Carson's eyes how they twinkled, and Owen was nestled all snug in his bed. I mirrored it and I let the Joy Xtra cut it for me.
I've been using Smart Iron-On for years now. It's so easy to work with, and I think of all Cricut materials, it's my absolute favorite to weed. Like, it's actually satisfying. So I decided to set this on the edge of the pillowcases so you can still see this even when the bed is made. So I put this on, added the parchment paper. I made sure to follow Cricut's heat guide to make sure I had the right settings for time and temperature. And I love how professional this turned out. Both of my boys were so genuinely tickled by these sheets, and they were so easy to do. Don't go anywhere because I have a really cool wrapping idea coming up in a second, but this is all in the presentation. What you could do is save these for Christmas Eve. You could use these all season long. Welcome to Owen's bedroom. This is his bed and his brother's bed down below, but this one was a definite winner at our house. This is such a beginner-friendly gift idea and a wow when you give it. What is he doing here? He really is being naughty. Moving on, because these next couple ideas are so good, and it involves wrapping.
We have a super easy idea. Like, if you're not doing this, anybody you give this to is going to be wowed. All you have to do is take some satin ribbon. I buy mine really affordably in bulk. This lasts the entire season. You guys have been seeing this in lots of videos. And I'm going to use my Cricut Joy Xtra to cut on the Smart Iron-On vinyl labels for the ribbon.
You're gonna follow the same steps. This project is linked down below, custom for 1.5-inch ribbon, and you can customize it with your name or the recipient's.
You could do people's names, but what I love to do is every year also bake cookies for friends and family. So I like to put Sneerly Kitchen on the vinyl. I iron it on. I also did this one at the 280-degree setting, and it came out so beautifully. I think this box would honestly be so cute for all of your cookies.
It's giving boutique, it's giving heirloom, it's giving custom, and check out this next idea.
Project number 5 is a baking apron that you can customize. I would love to hear what your heritage is below. So my boys are Finnish and Charlie is Finnish. His grandmother is from Finland. And so I thought I would put the Finnish phrase for Merry Christmas right on this apron. I get my aprons super affordably, lots of times on clearance, and this is a really easy way to customize it. And I brought back the satin ribbon to add the Sneerly Kitchen to it. And from the dollar store, they had really, really pretty like spatulas and things for baking cookies. This makes such a great gift idea. I think this one is gonna be awesome for my mother-in-law. All of these projects were made using Smart Iron-On, which are matte-free and very beginner-friendly. And everything I used is linked in the video, on screen, and in the description below. Machines and materials. Cricut Joy Xtra is super beginner friendly, perfect for everyday crafts all year long. I would love to know which one of these is your favorite and you plan to try. A huge thank you again to Cricut for sponsoring this video and helping bring to you all of these incredible ideas. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, that really helps me out a lot. And my beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon. Hugging you from here.